President Luby's Vlog. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So, pasensya na guys kung ngayon lang nakapag-update ha. And pasensya na din sa background ko kasi maingay. May birthday celebration kasi sa aming neighbor. By the way, nasa province po ako. Nasa bahay ako sa Isabela. Gusto ko lang kayong i-tour saglit. This is our simple house. Okay, this is our simple house. Dito ako nagstay. And dito kami nagstay ni Mr. Dito yung bahay ng ate ko. Hindi pa natatapos. Ay, mainit dito guys. Ayan, garden ng aking mudra bells. Mahilig siya sa mga halaman. So, look at that. Maganda dito mag-stay guys kasi tahimik. Ngayon lang maingay kasi nga may birthday celebration. And ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga alaga nilang hayop. May pato. Ayan, pato. And then, may baboy din doon. Gusto nyo ba makita? Okay, I'll show you na lang. Peppa Pig. Meet our Peppa Pig. Look, daming halaman dito. Ayan, alam niyo ba guys kung anong tawag dyan? Tinatawag namin yung miracle fruit. Alam niyo yan guys. Okay, so ito ko din sa inyo. Papakita ko din sa inyo ang aming kayamanan. Eto na guys, ang aming kayamanan. Eto na. Ayan, ang daming bunga. Yan ang aming kayamanan. Nasabi kong kayamanan kasi di ba ang mahal-mahal ng sili nun. Ayan din, kayamanan din. Ayan, kayamanan. Maraming kayamanan dito sa probinsya. Basta marunong ka lang, masipag ka lang, marunong magtanim. Mabubuhay ka nang walang gastos. May mga kayamanan din doon. O tingnan niyo yung bunga ng namin. Bunga ng papaya namin, ang daming bunga. Okay, parang maganda yung lighting dito. Magstay tayo dito guys para hindi masyadong marinig yung karaoke nila doon sa kapitbahay. Okay. So life update namin. It's been a while since I uploaded a video here in our YouTube channel. And yung video na yun is nung nag-propose ang aking Romanian husband sa airport. Yes po, yan po yung first meeting namin ni Razvan. Razvan po ang name ng aking mister. And obviously I said yes. And fast forward, we fixed everything. Umuwi kami ng province dito sa Isabela and nagpakasal. We got married. We decided to get married here in the province kasi nandito yung family ko and nandito din yung ibang close friends ko. So we stayed here for almost 2 weeks kasi after ng wedding namin, bumalik din kami ng Manila because his flight going back to Romania was January 13. So bumalik kami ng Manila 4 days before ng flight niya. And nagstay, of course, time namin together, a little time before he went back to his country. After that, naging busy na din ako sa preparation ng OJT ko because I'm a graduating student that time. Yes, I was a working student. I was working in the night and studying in the morning at the same time. And nakaya ko at last. Nakaya ko sa awa ng Diyos. At last, nakagraduate na po ako. Katatapos lang po ng graduation namin last July 10. By the way guys, I took up Bachelor of Arts in Political Science in City University of Pasay. And that is a 4-year course. That is a pre-law course. Mahirap po maging working student, especially na 12 hours duty, straight duty kami. Nasa gaming industry po kasi ako. Kaya ganun yung Kaya napaka-unhealthy yung environment. Ay, unhealthy yung lifestyle. Kasi nga 12 hours. Tapos every month kasi nagja-jump kami ng shifting from morning to graveyard, from graveyard to morning shift. So kailangan namin magstay ng 18 hours duty straight sa aming work. Kaya nung July, kaya nung August, nitong August lang, nagkasakit ako. Pero before pa nun, kino-convince na ako ng asawa ko na mag-resign sa work kasi nga napaka-unhealthy, lagi ako nagkakasakit. Nitong nagkasakit lang ako na muntik, hindi ko alam, pero akala ko mamamatay na ako. I thought I was going to die kasi I can't breathe. My body was numb and ang bilis ng tibok ng puso ko. And wala akong kasama nun sa kwarto ko. Ako lang mag-isa. And I was so scared. Ang una kong tinawagan noon kasi alas 4 pa lang noon, bumangon ako. Katatapos lang ng jump shift namin noon. Katapos ng 18 hours namin. Galing kasi kami ng graveyard. Tapos, pagkadating ko ng bahay, pagkadating ko ng kwarto, naligo agad ako, nag-shower kasi every time naman na dumadating ako ng trabaho, dumadating ako ng kwarto galing ng work, is nag-shower ako para ma-freshen up yung katawan ko at maganda ang aking pagtulog. So I didn't expect na tatamaan na ako this time. So ayun, nagkasakit. Alam niyo yung findings sa akin ng doktor after kong magpa-check up doon, UTI lang daw. But I'm not convinced kasi hindi naman ganun hindi naman siya ganun ka-worse yung mararamdaman ko. No, hindi ko hinihiling na mas worse yung result. But I'm not convinced with the result. Okay? It's a different thing. So, ayun nga, nag-resign na ako and umuwi dito sa probinsya. Andito ako ngayon sa province, nag-i-stay. Kasi nga, by the way, hindi ko nga nakwento sa inyo. Last 2019 kasi, before ko na-meet yung aking asawa, as you all know, sa mga past videos ko dito sa YouTube channel, dati na akong sumasali ng modeling, ng pageants, and last 2019, I joined a pageant in Cavite and I won the crown, and nung May this year ko lang napasa yung crown sa successor ko, and I am the longest reigning queen and I'm so proud of that. And buti na lang pinayagan ako na mag-pass ng crown kahit na married ako, pinayagan ako. So that's it. Of course, kahit, hindi talaga makukumpleto ang ating buhay kapag hindi tayo dumaan or dadaan sa lubak ng daan. So, this year lang din, last May, nawalan kami ng minamahal na pamilya, which is yung asawa ng aking kuyang panganay, ay namatay dahil sa sakit ng puso. Of course, it was our loss kasi sobrang bait niya and it was our loss. Siyempre, kahit sino naman sa inyo mamatayan ng asawa, masakit syempre. So after the mourn, my brother went to Cavite. Nagstay siya sa isang kuya ko, sa pangalawang kuya ko, and he's working now. Mabuti na rin yun para kahit pa paano hindi niya maisip ng sobra-sobra yung hipag kong namatay. And then this is it. I'm here in the province. And by the way, we applied my visa, family reunification visa, and I'm waiting for the result, guys. I will do a different video, a separate video discussing the requirements, the getting married, the requirements in getting married, applying visa, registering, and all of the process for the sake of our Filipina and Romanian couple. So, i-upload ko din dito sa aming YouTube channel. Abang-abang lang, guys. But for now, I'm waiting for my visa to come out from the Romanian embassy. So, habang inaantay ko, I've decided to go home in Isabela, and to stay with my family, to enjoy every moment with them. Kasi mamimiss ko to, of course, especially the climate here. Ang ganda, the view. Look at that. By the way, yung bahay pala dito, ito yung bahay kung saan nagstay yung hipag ko and yung aming kuya, panganay. Pero ito bahay talaga doon ng pangalawa naming kuya, pero nasa Cavite sila ngayon. Okay, so I hope nasagot ko lahat ng katanungan nyo, and I hope masaya kayo na nakita ko. I'm praying na sana sa next video ko kasama ko ng aking mister para makita nyo kami together. And that's it, guys. It's so good here. Maraming tanim dito si mama. Ayan. Andito lang ako nakaupo. Maganda kasi dito sa labas para maganda yung lighting, maliwanag. Okay guys, so hanggang dito muna tong video ko. I-update ko ulit kayo sa mga susunod pang video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and to our TikTok account, Rasby and Bluebee. And I will update you guys on what will be our life for the next months, for the next years, for the next days. Okay, see you all, guys.